Are you barking because it's Steven's fault? That's what I thought. Are you part dog? Are you a bird dog? Yes, Becca. You bark because it's Steven's fault. Oh, yes, what a good bird dog. Steven's fault. You can do it. Say it. Oh. Oh, you are a very pretty bird. Hi. Hi, bird. Good morning.
Hi, Becca Bird.
Hi, Becca Bird. Good morning.
Hi, Becca Bird. Hi, Bird.
Hey, bird. Bird dog. Are you part hound dog? Becca Bird. Who's there? Is somebody knocking at the door? Becca Bird. Good morning, bird. Bird dog. Are you a bird dog?
Becca Bird.
Hey, Becca. Whose fault is it? Come on, you could do it. Say, Steven's fault. Yes. Say good morning. Good morning. My little bird dog. Okay, no one's there. You're done. Calm down. Good morning, Becca. Come here. Hi, come here, bird. Come here, bird. Hi, Becca Bird. Becca Dog Bird. Come here, bird. Okay, that's enough. Good morning. Hi, bird. Say hi, Steven. Say good morning. Come here, bird. Oh, and you whine like a dog. Come here, bird. Come here, bird. All right. Yes, you're a dog. All right. Well, we'll bark at you later. Bye.